the BT Elements 1K single phone, which is a rugged outdoor phone for use in workshops, or as I'm going to use it predominantly in my office, which is some distance away from the house. This item's also got an answer machine, which I don't think I'll use, but we'll try it, and there's also a facility on it to block nuisance calls. So let's have a look at it out of the box. So we've got an instruction book, charger, a second plug, which I would assume is for the handset, the antenna unit, a holder which I think will connect for the tuner, and of course the main star of this is the telephone. Okay, so we'll set it up to charge and we'll see what it's like. Okay, I've set the handset up now, and it takes a full 24 hours to charge it initially, and so that's what we're doing now, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm currently about 40 yards from our house, so I'm just going to try the phone now, see if it rings. Sorry about the delay. And it's working. I'm now a few hundred yards away from our house. I've come up the track and I'm just about to try the phone again. Afraid there's no signal, so it's obviously, there is the depth of the walls of our house, but I have to say that I'm probably about 400 yards away from the house at the moment and I've got no signal. The BT Elements 1K single phone, which is a rugged outdoor phone for use in workshops, or as I'm going to use it predominantly in my office, which is some distance away from the house.